There are two functions that one may execute on the UCM through inputting commands via the micro SD card socket. The first command is verify firmware. The second command is flash firmware. You control them by how many times you insert the micro SD card into the micro SD card socket. To perform the verify firmware command, put the micro SD card into the slot. Click it in twice, and down here the DS5 and DS8 LEDs will start flashing. This indicates that it recognized your command and is asking for confirmation of the command. You confirm the command by simply inserting the command one more time. If you don't enter the command again in 1 second, it ignores the last command. So insert the SD card twice again to confirm the verify firmware command. 1, 2. It starts flashing, and do it again. 1, 2. And now it performs a firmware verification. Right now, one light is blinking, which means the firmware on the SD card does not match the firmware on the micro. Firmware did not pass verification. With the modem running in normal operation, we will perform a flash firmware operation. Input the flash firmware command by inserting the micro SD card into the slot 3 times. 1, 2, 3. When the lights flash for confirmation, input the command again. 1, 2, 3. When input correctly, the lights on the board will remain solid and the firmware flashing will take place. Once done, this LED labeled DS10 VGSM will turn off. When it comes back on, the firmware has been flashed. To be safe, cycle power to the controller. Wait 30 seconds. Power the controller back up. If the heartbeat LED is blinking, you can perform the verify firmware command to verify that the firmware has been properly flashed to the microprocessor. Wait for the LED confirmation request, and then 1, 2 to confirm the command. The DS8 LED should remain solid until the heartbeat LED, DS5, resumes blinking. If the DS8 LED blinks slowly before the heartbeat LED resumes blinking, the firmware on the micro did not pass verification, and the flash firmware function should be performed again.